In a world where cars just keep getting bigger and their wheels the same, it's kind of refreshing to take a look at some small wheels, for instance, and some of the best, in my opinion, small wheels out there right now that you can get your hands on brand new is, of course, some Works. Now, these right here are some little 15-inch Work Meister S1 two-piece wheels that we're going to be talking about for a little bit today. Welcome to Martini Works Unboxed, where we go ahead and talk about the products that we offer on our website, unbox them, take a look at them, and let you know everything you need to know about them. So if you go to make a purchase for your car, you know exactly what to expect and what you're getting for your money. Now, these ones right here are a 15x8 plus 0 in a 4-lug bolt pattern. So these are actually going on an in-house project that we are currently working on. So these are staying here with us, which is pretty exciting because typically we always have to send these out the door, but we get to admire these for a little bit longer and actually throwing them on one of our cars here, which is super neat. So 15x8 0, really small size. Now the two-piece version of the Meister S1s are only available currently in a 15-inch size. We, of course, do have the three-piece versions, which come in larger sizes, and we actually had some of those on here not too long ago for a customer order, and those looked absolutely killer. So the three-piece, obviously three pieces, and then they have hardware holding it all together. The two-piece ones like this, we do have the face and the barrel itself, and then the whole base is welded to the barrel, making it one continuous piece. Now, this is a gold finish on here. This is not a standard finish that these are available in. So standard finishes for the S1 2P are going to be silver, black, and white. So the gold finish was a bit of a custom color. So odds are, if you're looking for this one specifically, we'll have to wait a little bit. But if you are looking for one of those more standard finishes, those are typically more readily available. But of course, if you ever need help on lead times or anything like that, seeing what is available, shoot us a message. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Now, of course, the Meister S1, super iconic 5-spoke look. We have a really good amount of convex shape to the spokes here. So even though this is a 0 offset, the face of this does come out quite a bit because of the disc type to make sure that we're clearing brakes. So this is an A disc. When you're looking at discs from Works, you're going to be seeing A disc as kind of like your standard, O disc being like your deep dish, and then your L's and R's and things like that are going to be allowing for more big brake clearance and things like that. So this is going to be your standard disc type, the A disc, what you're typically going to see out there. Now, of course, just like any good wheel from Japan, we do get some spoke stickers as well. So we do get the blue Work spoke stickers that we're going to be putting on here. We got these ones, and we also have some longer ones as well. I don't even know where the longer ones would even fit on this wheel because like these are longer than the spoke itself. So there is those, but we also do have the shorter ones here, which I think add just that nice pop of accent and color to the overall look of the wheel. I think it looks absolutely killer. So something that a lot of the Japanese wheel brands do, and I really dig it. Now, center caps for these, not only do they not come with center caps, they're actually not even available for these ones. So if you're looking for center caps for your car, just know that these 15-inch two-piece wheels, they are not available for this setup. And the larger wheels, yes, you can get center caps, but again, do come at an additional cost. Now, price-wise, you're looking at $2,300 or so for this set of 15x8. So even though that they are a bit of a smaller size, you are still paying a decent chunk and change just because you are looking at a custom Work wheel coming from Japan. And again, that's just kind of the price you got to pay when you want to play with a set of wheels like this. Again, nothing astronomical in the world of multi-piece wheels or anything like that, but again, for something smaller, 15x8, $2,300 or so is what you're going to be looking at when you're looking at a set of wheels like this. So overall, absolutely incredible wheels, timeless, honestly, in my opinion, iconic. Again, the design of this is going to look absolutely killer on the car that it is going on. So if you want to see that, make sure to check out the Martini Works main page. We're going to be posting some stuff on there when the time comes. So if you want to see what these are going on, make sure to follow along there. And of course, if you are looking to check out some Work wheels for yourself or anything else that we offer, make sure to do so over at martiniworks.com. If you ever have any questions on wheel sizing, tire fitment, things like that, you can shoot us a message. Been doing this a long time. Be more than happy to help you out, get the right spec wheels for your car. And of course, if you're trying to see just what lead times on something like this is, we can get you those as well. So you can do all that and more over at martiniworks.com. We'll see you there.